Hello and welcome. DJ Reactivity here, Ryan. Nice to see everyone. Hope everyone's well. I wanted to make this brief video showing the great onboarding process that we've developed by this wonderful group of community that's been with us over the years. And now we are seeking to craft our own platform and give us the tools developed in-house to give us the resources to perform in virtual reality live with the newest, highest power graphics out there with Unity, at the same time giving creators full access to Unity with very little limitations besides the hardware that's available to most consumers today. While we are HDRP and we are mostly suited for high definition users of high-end graphics cards, there is universal render pipeline down the development pathway, which is easy for us to convert into. We also have users comporting optimized scenes working with HDRP. So stay tuned on performance different levels and always feel free to ask if your machine is able to run this. The first step you're going to want to do on this onboarding process is to get started. You're going to go to this web page here that will be linked down below. Scroll down and become a creator. You have two options, Tier 1 and Tier 2. Tier 1 will basically pay for the cloud service. We are a collaboration team of developers, and that is how we are able to give such openness with our code and our platform as we collaborate and build this together. Tier 1, you're basically given about 2 hours with a remote person that will walk you through your first steps in XR Performer. We will make sure that you're able to run in virtual reality and that everything's working in XR with the XR interactions before you are let loose to create. Tier 2 creator will have access to 24 hours of customer service, whether that is they need help building out different components and prefabs to multiple questions or fixing up and optimizing scenes or cleaning of bugs throughout their scripts. Tier 2 would give you more access to a lot more resources and help throughout the month, and it also includes the collaboration cloud software. Once you've paid for these, you're going to want to head to our Discord where we will schedule a time for you to meet with a virtual trainer who will begin the onboarding process. Once you begin the onboarding process, you'll be let loose into the world of XRP. The world of XRP is utilizing HDRP Unity 2019. This software gives us long-time support over the next 4 to 5 years. HDRP is just starting development with virtual reality software, so there's a lot of hurdles in converting any type of API into our format. As you can see, volumetric lighting does work very well. Foliage and high definition materials down to grains of sand can easily be displayed with our software. Not only that, post-processing has hundreds, if not thousands, of different options that can be completely customizable within the particle system to the VHFX. All these put together results in amazing creations, light and immersion that you can feel. It's like taking steps in virtual reality for the first time. See, volumetric lighting is working. This is utilizing HDRP Unity 2019. You can see that the materials in HDRP is extremely detailed with multiple layers of different types of nodes, bump, map, normals that can be set in place with your material structure. Each material has to be recrafted for HDRP VR, but of course that leads to some of the most immersion crafting out there with our platform. Everything is cloud built. Once you complete your scene or level or asset is easy uploadable. Once you finish the onboarding process, you'll be let loose into XRP. The particle system and VFX also work very well inside of our platform, giving very immersion feel and a look with the reflection that comes with Unity 2019 HDRP. This is our home scene here. Inside our home scene has some of our most testing items that we currently test before they go into public rooms. Currently, the home scene has been downgraded for optimization purposes. Live video feeds such as Resolume Input, VJ Loops, webcams, motion capture can all be easily configured to our systems. The a full code is available for manipulation, but anything out of your folders, you should definitely seek an advisor before getting started. Please copy anything you do and use in trial scenes before bringing into public or already crafted XR scenes. Once you're in the onboarding process, you'll be given access to the dev folder. Inside the dev folder, you'll be given a folder with your name. Inside here, you will keep all your belongings, from your materials to your assets to your scenes to your music. Everything here and all your scripts will be easily categorized, and make sure you keep this neat and clean. That way, with so many assets being generated, you can always find what you need easily throughout your creation process. Metric lighting and a lot already is working inside of XRP. Multiplayer rooms are capped at 20 at the moment, but can be expanded up to 100 people per instance with considerable funding. Until that moment, we are going to keep this at 20-person cap as this process is developed. As you can see, DMX lighting is also inputted with LED different types of screens, giving some of the most lifelike and realism to a social VR platform that has been ever created. Full control over any parameters can easily be attached to the slider and UI systems for real-time control during your performance. In the future, we hope to add currency to where the audience can tip or donate to the artist to show support. Artists should make revenue over their shows, and we hope to keep that economy growing as everyone sees the level of performance that can come from XRP platform. The level of detail and immersion that can be given to any type of creator is a new dimension and date for virtual creators like myself. Any idea with animation, rigging, webcams, or scripting can be made possible with our engine. The main hurdles that you will face is your own computer GPU limits and hardware. Of course, as HDRP is optimized and hardware becomes much faster, you'll find our platform flourishing in that time in the future. As you can see, one of our creators here has built a rotating platform as the material colors switch out. Of course, there is many more things that will be added, and that is only one scene. Unlimited number of scenes can be switched out, and we hope to have our UI scene switcher available shortly. At the moment, our DJ API was just released this week, giving us the power to create a full studio for you to perform with live in virtual reality. Over the next month or so, we'll be crafting our UI engine DJ booth in the full studio. If you would like to help out in this creation, it is always possible to grab documentations of the DJ Pro API, study, and craft your own. You can find that yours will be maybe optimized to your own playstyle or better than the original, and of course, why wouldn't it be shared with all the community for the users to use? And of course, if you want to keep it private to your own shows or functions, that is completely possible as well. Once you start your creation process, you'll find our local meeting room here. Inside this meeting room, you'll find your logo on a poster board and stats appearing to show all the forecasts throughout XRP's development. Inside of here is some of the meetings that will take place weekly as we talk about progression in the creation process of our prefabs and different types of assets. The level of detail that can be crafted with the tools of XRP, combined with the functionality of our cloud systems to easily update so fast with so many users, can lead to amazing results. This can only grow as fast as we push it as we team together. XRP, from lighting to the volumetrics to the shaders, you'll find yourself studying for nights to craft some of the most amazing, newest technology art displays there are for virtual reality live performing. Lighting, post-processing volumes can be set with hundreds of different types. Last but not least, I want to show you one of the best parts of XRP in our collaboration software and just how easy it is to send your updates to the rest of the team. Once you have crafted anything between turning an object active or disactive to writing your own scripts, it's easy as going to the top collab, writing in the notes of your update, and then pushing publish. Immediately within seconds, everything you have done is now synced with the rest of the team, and any new updates can be re-downloaded here to instantly update in your current project, leading to this style of collaboration building with full openness of our code for our creators. Of course, any type of abuse to our code will result in termination, but of course, we are always looking to work with you and give you the training and resources you need for your ultimate creation and platform to perform within virtual reality.